Assalamualaikum and a very good day. How are you today, students? I hope you are doing great. I'm Puan Hajah Sharuliza binti Saad, an English teacher from SMK Ibrahim Sungai Petani, Kedah. Our lesson for today is under the theme of consumerism and financial awareness. For teachers, this is a textbook-based lessons number 11 and 12 or TB 11 and TB 12. It is taken from Scheme of Work for Form 2, pages 39 and 40. Today's topic is money. Okay, you are going to learn vocabulary related to money and shopping. Alright? Okay, this is the content standard. Okay, the content standard for today's for today's lesson is 1.1, understanding meaning in a variety of familiar contexts, and the learning standard is 1.1.2, understand independently specific information and details in simple longer text on a range of familiar topics. Okay, before we continue, let me tell you today's objectives. Okay, our lesson objectives are: listen and repeat the money words mentioned in the recording. The second one, read and fill in the gaps in the text using the words that you have learned. Okay? Now, let's look at the vocabulary. Okay? Before we continue, I want you to copy the words that you are going to learn after this. Okay? Quickly get your paper and pen. Alright? Are you ready? Okay, the first word that is related to money and shopping, it's buy. Buy. Repeat after me. Buy. Buy. Buy means to get something by paying money, by paying for it. Alright? I will repeat. Buy means to get something by paying for it. For example, Mommy buys me some candies. Okay? Okay, the next slide. Sell. Sell. Repeat after me. Sell. Sell. Sell means to give something to someone in return for money. Okay, to give something to someone in return for money. Okay, if you can see the picture in the slide, it's someone giving money to buy some macaroons. Okay, beautiful pictures of macaroons. Okay, the next slide, cost. Cost. Repeat after me. Cost. Cost. If something costs an amount of money, you must pay that amount to buy or to do it. Okay, for example, the trip to Cameron Highland will cost you 1,000 ringgit. Okay, you have to pay for that cost. All right. Are you copying the words? Make sure you do, because after this you will answer some questions. Alright? Next, spend. Spend. Okay, repeat after me. Spend. Spend. Spend is to give money as a payment for something. Okay, spend is to give money as a payment for something. For example, I spend a lot of money on makeup. I spend a lot of money on makeup. Okay, next, moving on to the next word, save. Save. Okay, repeat after me. Save. Save. Save means to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. Okay, I'll repeat. Save means to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. Example, do you save money in a bank? I save a lot of money in Maybank. Okay? Next, earn. Earn. Repeat after me. Earn. Earn. Earn is to receive money as payment for work that you do. Earn means to receive money as payment for work that you do. For example, excuse me, I earn a living from making product reviews on the Instagram. Okay, is that familiar? Okay, I earn a living from making product reviews on the Instagram. Next word, borrow. Are you familiar with the word borrow? Borrow. Repeat after me. Borrow. Borrow. Borrow means to take money from a bank or other financial organization and pay it back in a period of time. I'll repeat. Borrow means to take money from a bank or other financial organization and pay it back over a period of time. Sorry, excuse me. Now, are you familiar with the word along? Do you know any one of you who borrow money from along? Yes, along is also another financial organization, just like bank. Okay, but bank is more cooperative. Along is more like, very harsh. Okay, next. Lend. Sorry. Lend. Repeat after me. Lend. Lend. Lend means if a bank lends you some money, sorry. If a bank lends you money, it gives money to someone who agrees to pay the money back in the future. I repeat. If a bank lends money, it gives money to someone who agrees to pay the money back in the future. Okay? Next one. Lose. Lose. Repeat after me. Lose. Lose. If you lose money, you have risk. You do not make a profit and do not get your money back. Alright? Look at the picture. Look at the picture of the man here. The man is crying for losing his money. Okay? Maybe it's in a stock market. He lose money. That's why he's crying. Okay, losing is not a pleasant experience. Okay, that's why he's crying. Okay, next one. Swap. Swap. Repeat after me. Swap. Swap. Swap is to exchange one thing for another. Swap is to exchange one thing for another. For example, you can see the picture here. In the slide, you can see the picture of people exchanging presents. Okay, swap is to exchange. Okay, next one. Win. Win. Repeat after me. Win. Win. Win is to succeed in getting something. Win is to succeed in getting something. For example, winning an award, to win a lottery, or to win a lucky draw. Have you ever won something before? Okay, moving on to the next word. Collect. Collect. Repeat after me. Collect. Collect. Collect is to ask people to give money for something. Collect is to ask people to give you money for something. For example, a charity. If you notice the slide here, there is a picture of a jar. Okay, this is when you ask people to give you money to help you in a charity work. Okay, people will donate money and put the money in the jar. Okay, before we continue, I want to test your understanding. I want to see if you remember the vocabulary that we have learned before. Alright? Are you ready? Okay. What is the meaning of save? If you can answer, I'll give you 100 likes. Okay, 5 seconds to answer. Okay, tell me, what is the answer? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Save means to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. Very good. Okay, to keep something, especially money, for use in the future. What about the second definition here? To ask people to give you money for something, for example, a charity. Okay, remember the picture of a jar just now with coins inside? What does it mean? What is the word for that meaning? Yes, to ask people to give you money for something, for example, charity, it means to collect. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, I'll give you another 5 seconds to think of the meanings of these words. Can you help me to match the words to their meanings? Okay, you have to match buy, sell, and win. Okay, and to those who can answer it correctly, I'll give you another 100 likes. Okay, 5 seconds. 5. Okay, time's up. Now, what is the meaning of buy? What is the meaning of buy? Buy means to get something by paying money for it. Okay, remember, mommy buys me some candies. Okay, to get something by paying money for it. Okay, the next word, sell. Okay, which is the meaning of sell? Sell is to give something to someone else in return for money. Okay, sell, it means to give something to someone in return for money. Okay, remember the slide where you see a lot of macaroons, colorful macaroons? You sell macaroons, people give you money. You give them the macaroons. Alright. Last word, win. Win. Win is to succeed in getting something. Remember, to win a lottery, to win an award, and to win a lucky draw. Okay? Okay, yay, 100 likes for you. Good job, kids. Okay, our second exercise is the listening activity. After that, you are going to fill in the blanks with the vocabulary that you have learned. As you listen, I want you to jot down the answers. Okay? Okay, ready or not, we are going to listen. Remember your paper and pen. Okay, ready, yeah?
Unit 6. Vocabulary and Listening. Money and Shopping. Exercise 3.
My shopping trip. I've got some money for my birthday. Mum thinks I should put it in the bank and save it, but I want to go shopping. Camden Market in London is a great place to buy clothes and jewellery. Some stores sell second-hand things, so you don't need to spend a lot of money. I really like these bags. How much does this cost, please? Let's have a rest now. I'll pay for the coffees. Not everyone comes to Camden to go shopping. Some people earn money by entertaining the shoppers. Other people collect money for charity, like this one for sick children. I haven't got any money left now. I'll have to borrow some money from my friend to buy my bus ticket.
Okay, I'm going to play the audio again. You're going to listen. This time, make sure you have written the answer. Okay? Make sure you have written the answer. Ready?
Unit 6. Vocabulary and Listening. Money and Shopping. Exercise 3.
My shopping trip. I've got some money for my birthday. Mum thinks I should put it in the bank and save it, but I want to go shopping. Camden Market in London is a great place to buy clothes and jewellery. Some stores sell second-hand things, so you don't need to spend a lot of money. I really like these bags. How much does this cost, please? Let's have a rest now. I'll pay for the coffees. Not everyone comes to Camden to go shopping. Some people earn money by entertaining the shoppers. Other people collect money for charity, like this one for sick children. I haven't got any money left now. I'll have to borrow some money from my friend to buy my bus ticket.
Okay, I hope you have gotten all the answers, number 1 until number 9. Okay, now I want you to take out your red pen. You are going to take your own answers. Okay, no teachers is going to do that. You are going to do that yourselves. Okay, ready? Okay, let's look at the first paragraph here. Okay. Are you holding your red pen now? Okay. What is the answer for number 1? Okay. I've got some money for my birthday. Mom thinks I should put it in the bank. And number 1, what's your answer? Are you sure that is the answer? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Number 1, the answer is save. Save. All right, good. Now, let's move on to number 2. Camden Market in London is a great place to ... clothes and jewelry. Okay, what is your answer for number 2? To buy clothes and jewelry. Okay, number 2, the answer is to buy clothes and jewelry. Okay, let's check what's number 3. Okay, number 3, some stalls ... second-hand things, so you don't need to ... a lot of money. Okay, in my class I like to use ... Alright? Okay, some stalls. Number 3, what is your answer? Some stalls sell. Okay, number 3, the answer is sell. Some stalls sell second-hand things, so you don't need to. Number 4, what is number 4? You don't need to spend. Okay, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Good. Next, I really like these handbags. How much does this ... please? Alright, number 5, what's the answer? How much does this cost, please? Alright, number 5, the answer is cost. Alright, now what about number 6? What's the answer for number 6? Let's have a rest now. Let's have a rest now. I'll pay for the coffees. Okay, number 6, the answer is I'll pay for the coffees. Sorry. So far so good, kids? Alright, good. Now, next one. Come on, kids. Almost finished. Not everyone comes to Camden to go shopping. Not everyone comes to Camden to go shopping. Some people, number 7, what's the answer? Some people earn money for entertaining the shoppers. Okay, number 7, the answer is earn. What about number 8? Other people, money for charity. Okay, this one, the answer should be collect. Collect money for charity. And last but not least, number 9, I haven't got any money left. Now, I'll have to ... some money from my friend. Okay, the answer for number 9? Yes, exactly. Number 9, the answer is borrow. Okay, borrow. I have to borrow some money from my friend. Okay, how many did you get correct? I hope 9 out of 9. Very good. Okay, one last question to ask you before I go. Okay, this is a hot question. Soalan kebat. Okay, does Claire prefer to spend money or save money? Does Claire prefer to spend money or save money? Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer? Okay, before you tell me your answer, let's consider this evidence. Okay, let's consider this evidence. Okay, we heard just now, Claire said, but I want to go shopping. Okay, that is evidence number 1. Number 2, Camden Market in London is a great place to buy clothes and jewelry. Okay, and then last but not least, number 3, Claire said, I'll pay for the coffees. So, we go back to that question again. Does Claire prefer to spend money or to save money? Now, you are going to tell that to your teachers and your classmates. Alright? I think you should WhatsApp your teachers after watching this video. Alright, now, my advice to you and myself after listening to Claire, what happened to Claire? Class, we need to save money. We need to save money so that in the future, the money will save us. Okay? I think we have come to the end of the video. My hope is that you have learned a few words, a few information and their meanings. Alright? And I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson as much as I have enjoyed teaching all of you. Okay, I leave now with saranghe. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.